pero nakita mo yung tampo. May tampo para yung tatlo, pinawag pa yung dalawa. Ano ba yun? Yeah.
Hi, sir.
Alice. Oh, ikaw pala si Alice. Hindi kita
Opo, nagkita
nakikilala.
pa tayo before.
Saan?
Tarlac po, sir.
Ando ka ba nung mayor ka noon?
Opo.
Ando sila, no? Sila governor?
Opo, opo, sir.
Yung nagpunta. Good afternoon. First of all, I would like to thank each and everyone from the Indonesian police, from the Interpol to the CIDG, the Criminal Investigation Division. Of course, we've also got the one on drugs. You know, everyone, the whole Indonesian police. I've seen how meticulous the operation were. For almost 3 weeks, you've followed Ms. Go. And from house to house, imagine that, renting this, and city to city, every movement that she had, you've always followed her. And this is only upon the request that we made in the Philippines to Colonel Retno. It was through, of course, Chief Marbil and police to police that this sufficed. And in behalf of our country and of course our president, again we would like to thank you for all the hard work that you've done. But it's not yet finished because Alice Go is just one person. Both our countries are facing so many problems, challenges in the future, drugs, other forms of criminalities, and we share borders like the seawater that we have to patrol together. So we've agreed that we will continue to talk and to cooperate and have common strategies and plan of actions in the future. Again, please accept our thanks to the police and to the government of Indonesia. Thank you. General?
Thank you. On behalf of the Philippine National Police, we are so happy that, of course, the Indonesian National Police help us in the looking for Alice Go. And one thing for sure that your general from the Interpol told us is that our memorandum of agreement is not only in papers but in action. So again, what we say in the Philippine National Police, no one is above the law. So we are looking for everybody, and it's a guidance coming from our secretary, the Secretary of Interior Local Government, Secretary Apolos, who's always guiding us, and of course making sure that every steps made of the police are ensured and successful. On behalf of the, of course, Ambassador here. I will not say the Philippine National, but of course the Philippines. We are so happy that your country helped us in the pursuing the truth about fugitive people. So thank you so much.
Salamat Siang.
Salamat siya.
Yes, on behalf of the Philippine Embassy in Jakarta and also on behalf of the Filipino people, we really salute the Indonesian police and the Indonesian government and everyone who has helped us in this very challenging undertaking. This is really one of the concrete cooperation that we have, especially this year that we are celebrating 75 years of Philippine-Indonesia relations. From the bottom of our hearts, marami pong salamat. Terima kasih banyak.
Maraming salamat. Alice Go, Alice Go can enter this room. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much for
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Director. Thank you so much.
Director.
Ipirma ko yung release. Nagutom ako, kinain ko. Pero yung mga pinangako ko kanya, dapat gawin natin, nasisira ang relasyon.
Pero hindi ko na sasabihin.
Oh, pero nakita mo, yung tampo. May tampo para yung tatlo, pinawag pa yung dalawa. Ano ba yun? Yeah.
Hi, Sen.
Alice. Oh, ikaw pala si Alice. Hindi kita
Opo, nakita ko tayo
nakikilala.
before.
Saan?
Tarlac po, Sek.
Ando ka ba nung mayor ka noon?
Opo.
Ando sila, no? Sila governor?
Opo, opo, Sek.
yung nagpunta. Ikaw talaga.
Sek, patulong. May decret na kasi.
Di bale, basta importante. Totoo, tingnan
Opo, Sek.
natin
Opo.
ito. Ha? Kaya nga, kumuha na kami ng private plane dito para maano. Kasi ako tingin ko, para ngayon Chinese